Hello, I'm Paul. I'm in Yunnan. Our company specializes in fresh roses, operating a 1,000-acre farm with an annual production of 110 million stems. Yunnan is the largest flower production region in China. To meet the growing demands of the flower market, we introduced Focusite's automatic flower sorting system. Since introducing the Focusite equipment, we have experienced significant value. Firstly, it solved our long-standing recruitment problem, allowing us to enhance productivity with fewer employees. More importantly, it standardized our flower sorting, improved overall consistency, making us more competitive in the market. This new sorting process has also significantly reduced flower waste. The integrated MES system has made our management more efficient. Additionally, the packing machine ensures uniform stem length and consistent packing strength for each branch. This not only improves aesthetics but also minimizes damage during transportation.
Our company Yunxiu has been professionally engaged in cultivating fresh-cut roses for 20 years. Currently, our bases across the province total around 2,000 mu. We primarily cultivate cut roses, as well as blue roses and potted hydrangea seedlings. Our current annual flower production, processing, and sales have exceeded 100 million stems. The Yawan base, where we are currently located, covers an area of about 200 mu. Now, this base alone can achieve an annual output value of 25 million RMB, and Yunxiu's total output value last year exceeded 96 million RMB. Our current sorting equipment mainly uses the fresh-cut flower automatic sorting machine from Focusite. It can sort 10,000 flowers per hour, increasing capacity by 10 to 12 times compared to manual labor. Most importantly, it achieves unification of standards and technology. The flowers we sort now have unified standards and consistent quality when shipped to our auction center, and all products qualify for inspection exemption. Furthermore, we have been consistently rated as a 5-star high-quality supplier. Secondly, in addition to processing, we also use Focusite's automation equipment in our production phase, enabling Yunxiu's flowers to have stable year-round supply and consistent quality. Hello, we are from the Kunyang Kunlun base. Our base mainly cultivates fresh-cut roses. Our base has approximately 400 mil of soilless cultivations greenhouses, with an annual production of about 1 million stems. Due to increased production, we introduced Focusite's equipment. Since introducing this equipment, our packaging has changed from manual to machine packing. The overall flower quality, including our damage rate, overall standards, and the tightness of the cardboard, has significantly improved. Including during transportation, the pallets are very high quality and have strong compression resistance, and the overall loss during transit is greatly reduced.
Hello everyone, I am Hu Zhihong, the person in charge of the Kunming Doan Modern Ecological Agriculture Demonstration Park. The Kunming Dowa County Ecological Demonstration Park is located in Kunming City, Yunnan Province, with a total area of 1390 mu. Within this, 234 mu of greenhouses for fresh-cut flower cultivation have been built, with an annual production of 23 million stems. With the expansion of cultivation scale, our previous manual sorting and packaging of fresh flowers proved extremely inefficient. For this purpose, we introduced this Jiangsu Focusite automatic fresh-cut flower sorting machine behind me. It can sort over 30,000 fresh-cut flowers per hour, completely replacing the work of more than 10 people I had before, improving my labor efficiency, quality, and pricing.
Hello everyone, I am Chen Rui from Yunnan Yangshi Flower Co. Limited. My company currently cultivates 950 mil fresh-cut roses, with production, processing, and sales reaching up to 100 million stems and an output value of 100 million RMB. In 2020, our company collaborated with Focusite to jointly develop an automatic fresh-cut rose sorting machine. The equipment reduces labor cost while ensuring processing efficiency, solves the product quality inconsistency caused by manual sorting, and ensures the outgoing product quality rate for our fresh F.
Hello everyone, I am Du Li from Yunnan Shengyuan Agricultural Technology Development Co., Limited. We mainly have two bases, Shengyuan Base and Ruoshui Base. The company mainly cultivates roses, including more than 20 varieties such as Luotian, Zushan, and Mitao, with a planting area of over 300 mu and an annual output value of over 20 million RMB. Since introducing the Focusite equipment, it has not only improved work efficiency but also saved labor costs, providing great convenience for our management work.
Focusite's intelligent flower sorting and automated packaging equipment have successfully provided efficient sorting and automatic packaging services for many large fresh-cut flower customers. Cumula.